Hi boys and girls, another phonics session today. We're going to learn a new sound, we're going to do some spellings, reading and hopefully write a sentence. So good luck. I have a new sound, so here it is today. If I show you it nice and close, can you see I have an alien and he's getting into a spaceship and his friend is shouting from above saying, "Shut the door." Can you say that? What do we need to say? Shut the door. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see. Shut the door. The alien needs to remember to shut the door. They're going to shut the door. What's he going to do? Shut the door. Well done. Now, our sound we're going to look at today has two special friends that makes one sound. Or together makes or. What is that? Or. My turn. Or. Or. Should we play the game? If you say this, you're going to say, "Shut the door." And if you say this side, you're going to say, "Oh." Okay. I hope you're shouting, "Oh." Shut the door. Well done. Can you remember what two special friends make our sound today? Can you remember? O and Oh, well done. Oh. Shut the door. Our special friends today, our sound is oh. I'm back. Are you ready to blend some in your head? I'm going to say them. Can you tell me what they are? S-o-t. S-o-t. Makes sort. I'm going to sort out my bedroom. What about this one? Ooh. O-s. O-s is nay. Horse, well done. Ooh. One more. Sh. O-t. I am very short. Well done. Okay, here's our sound. I'm going to put it in our pack. Can you see that? Or if you see it today, you need to shout, "Oh, there you are." Oh, there you are. Okay, shut your eyes whilst I hide it. I'm going to give them ones a little bit of a mix, so bear with me. Okay, let's go. That one looks similar, but that one's start the car. Can you remember that? A, snail in the rain. A. Oh, there you are. Oh, there you are. There's our sound. Can you see? Oh, there you are. Well done. O, together makes oh. Brilliant. Shall I hide it again? Oh, slipping in. Let's go. Hold it nice and fast. I'll just sort my pile out. There we go. Oh, tricky one. Fly high, I. Going in a board. E, what can you see? Ooh, poo at the zoo. Oh, there you are, well done. Our special friends today are oh, shout it for me. Louder. Okay, I have some O words. Do you think we can read them together? Now remember, when we sound them out, we have to sound out the special friends together. We have to say O. Have a go by yourself. Again. Should we do it together? O. Fork. I eat my food with a fork. Well done. It has that or sound. Can you see how it's in the middle? Okay, next one. Remember, if you see the special friends, they have to say them together. Should we do it together? Or, horn. Beep, beep. Can you beat the horn? Another or one. Let's go. Your turn. Together. S, or, t. Sort. Brilliant. I hope you got that. And one more where we recap our previously taught sounds. Some special friends there. What does that make? What does it make? Brilliant. Up. Chop. Excellent. Okay. Shall we practice those tricky words? Let me see if I've got them in the right order. I think I have. Let's go. I'm going to show you them. I want you to shout them out, and then we'll go back through them again today, and I will say them. See how many you can get. Should we do them together? We, you, I, be, she, my, two, he, me, and back round to we. Well done. Okay. Should we do some spellings? Get ready for those disco hands. I've got my pen ready. Have you? If you haven't, go and get one now. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. And let's get right in. You ready? I'm ready. Hope you are. Disco hands. Freeze. The first word on your fingers today. How many sounds are in the word worn? I have worn my jumper. Worn. On your fingers, off you go. Worn. Oh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many sounds in worn? Show me. Ka-ching. I've got 3. How many do you have? Worn. Let's do it all together. W, or, n. Do it again. W, or, n. Worn. Can you write that down? Off you go. Write it down. Worn. Give you another couple of seconds. Worn. W, or, remember that or sound? Let's do it together. See if you got it right. If you haven't managed, don't worry, do it now. What is the first sound in worn? As I fall over something there. Hey, say it again. Can you see it here? It's next to me. I'm in the way. This one, well done. W. What's next? Or, so our or sound, or, or, w, or, w, or, If you had that, give yourself a teacher tick. That light's shining a little bit awkwardly, isn't it? Doesn't, hope you can see that. 1, if you got that, yes, teacher tick. If you haven't, quickly change it. And then pencils down. And let's get the disco hands back out. Put them together this time. Are you ready? I'm going to go side to side. Ready? Next sound. Next word, sorry. How many sounds are in the word sort? I can sort that job. Sort. On your fingers. How many sounds are in the word sort? Sort. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ka-ching! I have 3 again. Do you? Let's check. Sort. Your turn first. All together. Sort. S-o-t. Sort. Write it down. Write it down. Sort. Can you do that, do you think? Can you write sorts? Or Are you ready? Okay, let's see if we got it right. What's the initial sound? What's the first sound in sort? S. Well done. What's next? Or. S. Or. S. Or. T. S. Or. T. Teacher take. Well done. Okay. Can you see that? My big head's getting in the way a little bit. I would like you to get your pen, because this one's going to go straight on your piece of paper. Can you write the word... Oh, I'm looking around for inspiration in my room. Can you write the word... Oh, cot. A baby sleeps in a cot. Can you write that straight on your piece of paper today? Cot. Don't nip your fingers. See if you can do a speed write. Cot. Cot. I'm only going to give you 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Should be done. Should be an easy one. Cot. Cot. Do it with me. Shout out. What does it start with? Cot. Well done. What's next? K. Oh, perfect. And finally, K. Oh, t. Excellent. Hope you got that. Can you see it? Fab. Okay, your last job. It's a sentence. I'll let you see those sounds one more. So we've got one, we've got sort, and finally, cot. Now our sentence today is, I can beep the horn. 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 Say it with me. I can beep the horn. Brilliant. Now we have 5 letters. We know we need to start with a capital letter. We need to have finger spaces and finish with a full stop. Now what I would like is for you to have a go at writing now. Pause the video, and when you're done, press play again, and then we'll go through it together. So off you go. I can beep the horn. Remember, beep, it's not but it, it's but e. That special friends, can you remember what they were? We'll go through it after. Off you go, you write it. Hopefully you've all wrote your sounds, now your sentences to make I can beep the horn. Should we do it together? Should we go over it? The first word is a tricky word. I. How do we write that? I. I. Brilliant. What comes next? Finger space. Well done. Can. Finger space. Shout out how I spell can. Ah. I can. Well done. What's next? Beep. What does beep start with? What does it start with? Good. How do I make the E sound? And brilliant. But E. I can beep the it's a tricky word. It is a tricky word. The and finally, finger space. We're going to finish with horn. What does it start with? I can beat the horn. Full stop. I hope you've got that. If you have, tick. Amazing work. Send in your work. I'm blown away with our writing. It is absolutely tremendous. So keep up the good work.